Hi. Now I'm going to show you a last magic. It's a nice magic, and the last one it's broken. I'm not going to show you. So see the last magic. Be careful. Wait a minute. Oh, you see, I have a pen. Marker. See this marker? I'm going to show you a magic. White marker. See this? I'm going to leave it slowly. See, one more time. Let me repeat it slowly. It's beautiful. Now I'm going to teach you the magic now. Let's take it back. So the magic is done like this. And you know what? Right. www.magictrick.com or just magic. This magic, you will be confused of all these magics. And remember what? www.magictrick.com. So see you. Bye.